Now, let's talk about the product of modern feminism mindset. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Let's do this!
This is Pinoy Extreme.
Now, I came across with a post and hindi ko nababasahin yung buo kasi, well, ito yung nakita kong mas importante dito. Sabi niya, a woman who chooses to express herself differently is still a decent woman. Because decency has never been about clothes. It has never been about hemlines, crop tops, bikinis, dresses, or how much skin a woman chooses to show. It always has been about character, values, integrity, and how a person treats others. Okay, let's talk about the character. Anong character meron yung isang taong nagta-thirst trap? Anong values meron ang isang tao na nagta-thirst trap? Anong klaseng integrity meron ng isang tao nagta-thirst trap? Ang hirap sagutin, di ba? Kasi unang-una pa lang, ang target ng isang thirst trap is to add value sa sexual side nila. Again, if you look at how thirst trap is defined, it's attracting people sexually. So, pag nag-post ka ng kita yung cleavage mo, 'di ba? Kita yung wets mo. Anong value meron doon? Sige nga. You are adding to your sexual value. Kasi hindi mo naman makikita kung magaling to sa math, ang laki ng cleavage magaling sa art to, ang laki ng tambok ng o, di ba? Hindi mo masasabi kung anong value nila sa ibang aspeto ng buhay kung puro thirst trap lang yung pinagagagawa nila, because again, it adds value to your sexuality, not other aspects of your life. Most people only use decency as a convenient excuse to judge women while ignoring their own hypocrisy. We can celebrate women like clans without using them as a weapon against other women. It's not used as a weapon. It's used as a comparison. Ngayon, pag nako-compare kayo doon sa ibang tao, umiiyak kayo. Bakit? Anong masama? Parehong content yan. Yung content nyo, pang thirst trap, pang hubad-hubad lang, pang sexy-sexy, 'di ba? And kumpara doon sa content na kailangan niya pang i-research, pag-aralan. So anong masama i-compare doon? 'Di ba? We can uplift womanhood without dragging another woman down. It's 2026. Stop objectifying women. Sino bang nag-objectify ng mga sarili nila? 'Di ba? Sila yung nagbigay ng access doon sa sexualidad nila. Sila yung nagsabi na eto yung presyo ko para makadate mo ko. And now, who's crying that you are being objectified? Stop sexualizing woman. Who's sexualizing themselves? 'Di ba? Ano yung magpapasexy kayo tapos magtatanga-tangahan kayo na, I'm not doing this for everybody else. Then why is it on public? How stupid is that? Why is it on public? Stop acting as if women exist to fit the standards you created for them. And what's wrong for other people to create their own standards? Sige nga. Everyone has their own standards. 'Di ba? May standard sila ng pagpili ng partner, may standard sila ng pagpili ng kakainan, may standard sila when it comes sa school, may standard sila sa kung ano-ano pa man. Even porn stars. May kanya-kanyang standards yan. Gusto ko chinita, gusto ko European, gusto ko yung petite, gusto ko yung flat-chested. What's wrong with creating standards? Sige nga. Alam nyo, kaya kayo umaaray kasi yung standards na kung saan matalino yung babae, ngayon nagva-viral at nase-threaten yung mga ang meron lang puro kaseksihan. Tapos ngayon mag-iiyak kayo, don't compare me! Don't compare me! Because the people who keep defining what a decent woman looks like are often the same people who see women as objects in the first place. And again, who's objectifying themselves in the first place? Oh, naalala mo yung sinabi ni Bea Bores? Na kailangan bigyan ako ng $1 million per month, isla, sasakyan, kotse, bakasyon. Those are objects. Yun yung objects na kapalit para makuha ko kung ano man yung ino-offer nila. Oh, ngayon mag-iiyak kayo tapos sabi niyo, I'm objectified. Huwag nga ako. Kalokohan. Women do not exist to satisfy your standards. Womanhood does not need male validation. And then why? Why are you now crying? Diba? Bakit kayo umiiyak? Ngayong yung mga lalaki yung nagsasabi na, buti pa to si Lance, ganito, ganyan. Kung hindi nyo pala kailangan ng male validation, bakit kayo umiiyak ngayon? What a joke!